Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by enabling the hotspot on your phone so your PC can find it. On your phone, open Settings, then the Hotspot section and flip Mobile Hotspot on. This creates a Wi-Fi network. Make sure your cellular plan allows tethering and you have data left, because Windows will use that connection. Once done, write down the hotspot SSID and password exactly as shown. You'll need them next. Also make sure the hotspot is set to visible and not in power-saving mode. On your Windows 10 PC, click the Wi-Fi icon in the taskbar and scan for networks. Your phone's SSID should appear. Select that SSID, press Connect, then type the hotspot password you noted. Choose Private Network when prompted so Windows applies trusted settings. If you don't see the network, make sure the phone hotspot is visible and not sleeping. If it still fails, toggle Wi-Fi off and on in Windows, or click Network and Internet Settings and Use. Once connected, verify internet access by opening a browser and loading a page. This confirms DNS and routing are working. If the speed is slow, make sure your phone has a strong cellular signal and you haven't hit data limits. Also pause large downloads or Windows Update on the PC. If problems persist, restart both devices, update your PC's wireless drivers in Device Manager, or change the hotspot frequency band on the phone between 4 GHz and 5 GHz. This often resolves compatibility and interference issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.